This week in St. Landry Parish, a few students and staff tested positive for COVID-19 at Port Berre High School. Because of the outbreak, students will now learn virtually. The virtual learning for students and staff at Port Berre High begins tomorrow and will go through September the 6th.
We're following the governor's mask mandate.
Superintendent of St. Martin Parish Schools, Alan Blanchard, says all school districts in Louisiana have been abiding by safety guidelines set by the state.
We can run our buses with 100% capacity, provided everyone wears a mask. That's the driver and all students. Once they get to school, the mask is required.
St. Landry Parish Schools also have a set schedule for how students arrive to and from school, get to lunch and class so they can spread out appropriately.
Social distancing in the classroom is 3 feet apart.
Now, even with St. Landry Parish abiding by all of the state's safety protocol rules, why is there still a COVID outbreak? I spoke with Dr. Brittany Hebert, and she says because the viral loads in the throat are up to 1,000 times higher with the Delta strain.
They are more likely to be asymptomatic, so you never know if that other kid is sick or not. So it's very reasonable to have universal masking in that case, because you never know. Well, actually, you do know transmissions are occurring. You just don't know where they're occurring.
Dr. Hebert says schools are at risk of catching and spreading COVID simply because there are high levels of interaction.
With all the chaos that's going on in the world, I feel like a routine is important for my children, just to help drown out the noise.
One parent says kids have had to go through a lot over the past 2 years. She is just focused on their mental health.
For me, it's just trust that God's got this, and I just try to be the best support I can for them, give them coping mechanisms.
And right now, the coping mechanisms from St. Landry School Board to its students and staff is remote instructions. In St. Landry Parish, I'm Princess Jeanne Steverson Lowry, News 15.